Hello friends, how are you? Now we will also discuss more about adjective as degree of comparison is given in your lesson. Once again, as already I have discussed about it, but even then I want you to know more about degree of comparison as you are all small children. Let's come to page number 96. Short, shorter, shortest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Bright, brighter, brightest. For adjectives ending in E, we add only R and EST. See, for example, what we discussed about the adjective ending in ER and EST. Wise, wiser, wisest. Please open page number 96 in your grammar book. Page number 96 in your grammar book. Wise, wiser, wisest. Brave, braver, bravest. Large, larger, largest. For adjective ending in one vowel and one consonant, we double the consonant between ER and EST. See friends, when we have to double the consonants, you have to bear in mind. For adjective ending in one vowel, for example, big, big. I is vowel and G is consonant. So one vowel and one consonant, at that time we double the consonant. We double the consonant. जैसे big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Short, hot, hotter, hottest. For adjective ending in a consonant plus Y. For adjective ending with one vowel and one consonant, we discussed that we have to double the consonant. Children, please don't make mistake while writing. I am sending you very cautiously, and you also please pay attention and do it cautiously and read it. For rules, you have to understand, children. Adjective with one vowel and one consonant, the consonant will be repeated, like big, bigger, biggest, thin, thinner, thinnest, hot, hotter, hottest. For adjective ending in consonant plus Y, for example, busy, so Y will change into IR in positive, in comparative, and IST in superlative. For example, busy, so in comparative it will be busier. She is busier than me. I am busiest among all. So busy, busier, busiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Understood? Happy, happier, happiest. All these words you have come across, friends, but even then I am repeating so that it will be reminded to you. It will be reminded to you. Now, adjective containing 3 or more syllables and some 2-syllable adjective like careful, famous, modern. 2-syllable means 2 or 3 vowels. Careful में A, E, U. 3 vowels are there. So, in that, you should add more in comparative and most in superlative. Once again, I am telling you adjectives containing 3 or more syllables. Adjective like careful, famous, modern take more in comparative and most in superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Important, more important, most important. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. I am repeating you so that it will always remain in your mind. A few adjective form, their comparative and superlative are irregular, means they are different from the root word. Like good, gooder, goodest will never come. It will be good, better, best. It will be what? Good, better, best. Come to page number 97. Watch there. Bad, worse, worst. Means this adjective, comparative and superlative forms are irregular. Much, more, most. Little, less, least. Now give the positive and comparative and superlative forms of the following in your notebook. Rich, richer, richest. ER, EST. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Y should be removed and IER, IEST. Sad, sadder, saddest. Double consonant, vowel plus consonant will double the consonant. Sad, sadder, saddest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Famous, more famous, most famous. They have repeated heavy. Great, greater, greatest. ER, EST. Bold, bolder, boldest. Good, better, best. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Dirty, dirtier, dirtiest. Little, less, least. Now make sentence using following adjective with as and as. My house is as big as yours. He is as clever as me. The story is as interesting as my story is as interesting as yours. Strong. My brother is as strong as yours. Heavy. The metal is as heavy as yours. Like that. You have to do it. And do the exercise in the page number 98. Please see tiger and deer strong. A tiger is stronger than a deer. Giraffe and camel. A giraffe is taller than a camel. An elephant, a lion. An elephant is bigger than a lion. Means all comparative degree. Gold, copper. Gold is more valuable than copper. Sun, the moon bright. Sun is brighter than the moon. A car, a motorbike. A car is more expensive than a motorbike. Rewrite your sentence in A as using not as. A deer is not as strong as tiger. Okay. A deer is not as strong as tiger. A camel is not as taller as giraffe. रीराइट करना है वापस से नॉट एज यूज करके. तो नॉट आएगा तो फिर पहले वाला बाद में वाला पहले आएगा. A lion is not as big as an elephant. In this the degree will remain same, positive degree. Copper is not as valuable as gold. Copper is not as valuable as gold. The moon is not as bright as the sun. A motorbike is not expensive as a car. Okay. Now coming to the last part of page number 98. Everest is the dash mountain in the world. Everest is the highest mountain in the world, yet tallest mountain in the world. America is the dash country. America is the what? Greatest country. February is the dash month, shortest month. Giraffe is the tallest animal. Everest is the greatest mountain in the world. America is the richest country in the world. Sorry, America is the greatest country in the world. Akbar is the dash of Mughal king. Akbar is the richest of Mughal king. Okay, that will do. Next video we will be continuing next thing. Till then,